Martell teacher Mary Burns recently shared the book What Words Really Mean with her media students and was inspired to do something more.
That book was something that really just struck a chord with me, and I just suddenly had this vision of kids walking around with their own messages and just uplifting our school.
Using a generous grant from the Troy Foundation for Educational Excellence, Martell students selected a word or phrase that resonated with them and then, using materials purchased with the grant money, including a Cricut, vinyl, and t-shirts, applied those words or phrases onto the shirts in unique designs. The project allowed students to use their voice to create change in their school and community.
We wanted our students to have a voice and be able to, put something out there in their community and show that they can make an impact with their own, voices and choices.
I hoped that it would empower the students to feel like they are making a difference, and then it really is, and even more differences than I even could have imagined.
One of the important things to share was each student's reasoning of why they selected their word or phrase. While getting that information from each individual student would be difficult, a group of dedicated students took the initiative and created a documentary where students had the chance to share why their word was chosen. The film was shared at an all-school student-led assembly. A project like this involves the entire school community, from the students and staff to the TFEE to the parents who volunteer their time.
This whole project would not have been possible without the help of parent volunteers helping us do the heat pressing, the support of Mrs. Barsh, our principal.
Thank you, thank you, thank you to the Troy Foundation for Educational Excellence, because I don't know how it would have happened without that grant.
To be able to give this opportunity to young children and help them feel like they have a say in things, that they can make an impact in their community and world around them. And it's so awesome also to show like those youngest kids in our school, they're seeing the older kids do this, and when it's different when it's coming from other students rather than their teachers. I think it made a bigger impact because they saw it on their peers' shirts.
They're empowered. They are making a difference. It's their voice, and then they see what they're making others feel, and how that to me is very important.
Our goal is just to try to build more empathy in this next generation of kids, and hoping that in doing that will make a more kind world.